Hello, petals, and welcome back to the Lotus of Life Paths. As you can see behind me, this is my wall. There are gorgeous flowers on there, and I put them there because I absolutely adore flowers. I think there's something beautiful and magnificent and almost cleansing about them. Just looking at them makes me happy. Which brings me to the subject matter of this video, and that is the cleansing power of nature. Whenever I have tough days, going to college, taking hard classes, and enduring just whatever obstacles life puts in my way, the moment where I can finally calm down is sometimes even on my walk back from class. When I look at the trees, when I hear the beautiful birds singing their melodies, I just feel this sense of oneness and relief. And my problems just almost fade away. Because I begin to live in the moment. Nature reminds me that living in the present and appreciating it can really change your outlooks, your feelings, your emotions. When you focus on nature and its beauty, your focus on the future or the pain from the past, it just disappears. So, how about you take 5 minutes, maybe even 10 or 15, and just spend it sitting quietly, listening to the music that plays for us every day out in nature. You'll see how much happiness you can gain from just those moments. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you really enjoy your day. I'll catch you later.